There you are. Your mother told me the Terran had summoned you, so I didn't want to interrupt. Pardon my manners, my lord. It's simply that I've been looking all over the castle for you. I fear your hound has the kitchens in uproar once again, and is threatening to leave.
Pobre viejita, o sea, con todos los problemas y el perro ahí destrozándolo todo, ladrando. A ver,
Your mother
pues la segunda.
disagrees. She insists you collect the dog, and quickly. You know these Mabari hounds. They listen only to their master. Anyone else risks having an arm bitten off.
Mi perro nunca mordería a nadie,
I'm not willing
sinceramente.
to test that. You're quite lucky to have your own Mabari warhound, you know. Smart enough not to talk, my father used to say. Of course, that means he's easily bored. Nan swears he confounds her just to amuse himself. At any rate, your mother would have me accompany you until the matter is settled, shall we?
Pues nada, nos vamos a la cocina a solucionar el problema.
Just follow the yelling. When Nan's unhappy, she makes sure everyone knows it.
Muy bien, pero primero quiero revisar qué hay por aquí. Creo que ya es... Sí, ya estuve aquí. Perdón, pero es que quiero explorarlo todo y me estoy confundiendo con las salas. A ver, por aquí... No, por aquí está la reina y sus amigas, así que... Pues nada, vamos a tener que seguir el camino principal. Ok, una puerta. Y también tiene candado. Maldición. Bueno, pues ya que... A la misión principal, pues.
Get that bloody mutt out of the larder.
But mistress, it won't let us near.
If I can't get into that larder, I'll skin both of you useless elves, I swear it.
Calm down, good woman. We've come to help.
You and you. Your bloody mongrel keeps getting into my larder. That beast should be put down. Just get him gone. I've enough to worry about with a castle full of hungry soldiers. You two, stop standing there like idiots. Get out of the way.
Esta señorita es como muy racista, ¿no? Y agresiva además. Bueno, aquí tenemos a nuestro fiel perro guardián, que está súper musculoso, por cierto. Sí te puede devorar, ¿eh?
Look at that mess. How did he even get in here?
Ladra nerviosamente. ¿Estás tratando de decirme algo, chico?
It does seem like he's trying to tell you
Es
something.
justo lo que acabo de decir.
Did you hear that?
La primera batalla y es contra una rata. Es un poco desilusionante, pero bueno, algo es algo. Como ya les había dicho, mi control no funciona muy bien, así que no puedo utilizar los talentos todo lo bien que me gustaría, ni acomodarlos. Pero bueno, aquí pueden ver el partir brazos y el golpe poderoso, me parece.
Giant rats? It's like the start of every bad adventure tale my grandfather used to tell. Your hound must have chased them in through their holes. Looks like he wasn't raiding the larder after all.
Eres un buen perro, eso es.
Those were rats from the Kokari wilds. Best not to tell Nan. She's upset enough as it is. But seeing as you've got your Mabari well in hand, I'll be on my way. I'm to prepare for the arrival of more of the Isle's men.
Bueno, problema solucionado, lo que bien empieza, bien termina. A ver, por aquí hay algunos recursos. El cuarzo, sinceramente, nunca he sabido para qué se usa.
There he is, as brazen as you please, licking his chops after helping himself to the roast, no doubt.
Vamos a ser honestos y decirle lo que pasó, ¿no?
What? Rats? Not the large grey ones.
They'll rip you to shreds, they will!
See, now you've gone and scared the servants. I expect those filthy things are dead.
Claro, están completamente tiesas. Puedes ir a verlas. ¿O no? Porque desaparecen.
Oh, I bet that dog led those rats into there to begin with. Oh, don't even start with the sad eyes. I'm immune to your so-called charms. Here then, take these pork bits and don't say that Nan never gives you anything. Bloody dog. Thank you, my lord. Now we can get to work. That's right, you two. Quit standing about.
Good evening, my lord.
And my dear Bryce bought this back from Orlais last year. The Marquis who gave it to him was drunk, I understand, and mistook Bryce for the king. Ah, here is my younger son. I take it by the presence of that troublesome hound of yours that the situation in the kitchen is handled.
Vamos a ser un poco sarcásticos, ¿les parece? Ahí vamos.
Well, at least one of us will have had a decent dinner. Perhaps your hound left something I can feed my guests. Darling, you remember Lady Landra, Ban Lawrence's wife?
I think we last met at your mother's spring salon.
¿No estabas borracha? Esa es la mejor respuesta sin duda.
I'm so proud of my pup's mastery of tact and diplomacy.
Well, it was a lovely salon, from what little I remember.
Which wouldn't be much, considering we had to pour you into the carriage afterwards.
You remember my son, Dragón? I believe you two sparred in the last tourney.
And you beat me handily, as I recall. It's good to see you again, my lord.
Vamos a ser educados y decirle que él también peleó chido.
And this is my lady-in-waiting, Iona. Do say something, dear.
It is a great honor, my lord. I have heard many wonderful things about you.
Don't look now, Eleanor. But I believe the girl has a crush on your lad.
Lady Landra.
Hush, Landra. You'll turn the poor thing scarlet.
Ay, qué linda. Ah, mira, le puedo coquetear.
As it pleases you, my lord.
I think perhaps I shall rest now, my dear. Dragón, I will see you and Iona at supper.
Perhaps we'll retire to the study for now.
Good evening, your lordship.
Creo que ahora tendría que buscar a esta chica para confirmar lo que acabamos de decir. Ella me caía muy bien, pero ya sé cuál es su trágico desenlace, así que pues nada, tenemos que apechugar la situación, ¿no? No sé si esa es la palabra, pero yo la voy a decir porque queda bien, ¿no? A ver, creo que ya exploré más o menos todo, pero a lo mejor me estoy saltando en alguna parte, así que pues vamos a ver. Porque creo recordar que había más interacciones con los personajes, así que... Ah, mira, ve. Justo lo que decía.
Hello, my dear boy. By just talk to myself for all the good I'm doing.
Pues fue interesante, pero algo aburrido, así que creo que lo voy a editar. Pues al final tuve que hacer un corte porque me terminé yendo por donde no era, pero ya volvimos.
That is a wonderful dog. He seems very noble and intelligent. Greetings once again, my lord.
Vamos a hacerle un cumplido.
My lord is very kind. Thank you.
Creo que deberíamos conocernos mejor. No perdemos para nada el tiempo, ¿verdad?
Aren't we doing just that? What else did you have in mind?
Ok, esto ya se puso a otro nivel, ya esto es para mayores de 18, no manches.
I see. I think I might like that. If I come to your door once everyone is asleep, would that be agreeable, my lord?
Creo que este es el inicio de una relación muy bonita.
Until tonight, then.
Hello again. Your castle study is wonderful. Might I ask whose collection this is?
Vamos a mostrar que somos cultos además de guerreros.
So would I. Do you have a favorite book?
Vamos a decir que los dragones de Tevinter.
Good choice. Timaeus' theory on the nature of dragons and how they connect to darkspawn is quite intriguing.
Ah, mira, vamos a preguntarle sobre los guardias grises.
No more than anyone else. Is it true there is one here in the castle? Have you met him?
Es cierto.
I'd join the Grey Wardens in a heartbeat. Can you imagine destroying the Darkspawn forever, becoming a hero? But I'd never gain a Grey Warden's notice. I'll have to be happy under your father's command.
Ok, creo que ahora sí ya debo irme.
Of course, my lord. I am sure you have much to do yet.
Ok, ya por fin terminamos de hablar con todos los personajes, me parece. Así que ya podemos avanzar con la historia. Creo que solo tenemos que ir a hablar con la mamá y ya con el hermano para empezar verdaderamente todo.
You should say goodbye to Fergus while you have the chance.
Fíjate que justo eso es lo que yo quería hacer. A ver. Tengo un mal presentimiento, hay que contestar eso.
As do I. Your father and brother are marching off to fight Maker knows what. All the assurances in the world don't comfort me. But it wouldn't help for us to take up arms and follow. Fergus and your father have their duty and we have ours.
Esta.
Yes, your father mentioned that. You haven't got it into your head that you want to be recruited.
Pues en realidad sí. Eso fue lo primero
There's
que se me
enough here
ocurrió.
at the castle to occupy you. I don't need you off chasing danger like your brother.
Vamos a preguntarle ya por el
He's not
hermano.
out with his men, probably upstairs with Oriana.
Vamos a preguntarle por qué yo no puedo ir con
I
ellos.
know it's difficult to stay in the castle and watch others ride off, but we must see to our duties first. You understand that, don't you?
¿Y si caen sin mí?
It's in the Maker's hands now, and we must cope as best we can.
Ok, pues ¿vas a quedarte?
For a few days. Then I'll travel with Lady Landra to her estate and keep her company for a time. Your father thinks my presence here might undermine your authority.
No creo que debas irte, sinceramente.
Don't worry, my dear. It won't be long.
Creo que ya le pregunté esto, pero bueno, va, otra vez.
If he's not out with his men, probably upstairs with Oriana. I
Efectivamente.
love you, my darling boy. You know that, don't you?
Yo también te quiero.
Go do what you must, then. I will see you soon.
Ok, ya por fin terminamos todo esto y podemos ir con Fergus, con nuestro hermano. Todo esto es solo el principio, ¿sabes? Es la calma antes de la tormenta, literalmente. Después de esta parte tan bonita y normal, sigue todo lo bestia, todo. Pero bueno, inspeccionemos un poquito, está cerrado otra vez. Así que ya vamos directo.
Is there really going to be a war, Papa? Will you bring me back a sword?
That sword, Oren, and I'll get you the mightiest one I can find, I promise. I'll be back before you know it.
I wish victory was indeed so certain. My heart is disquiet.
Don't frighten the boy, love. I speak the truth. And here's my little brother to see me off. Now dry your eyes, love, and wish me well.
No sé yo, pero creo que una espada es un regalo un poco inapropiado. Pero bueno, contestemos la 3.
He is as mortal as anyone, despite his refusal to believe.
Now, love, no need to be grim.
Vamos a decirle que ojalá pudiéramos acompañarlo.
I wish you could come. It'll be tiring killing all those darkspawn myself.
Surely your father would not place both his heirs in danger?
Mother and father have been fighting about it for days. It's too bad. I could have used you at my side.
Vamos a decirle que lo extrañaremos.
If it's any consolation, I'm sure I'll freeze in the southern rain and be completely jealous of you up here, warm and safe.
I am positively thrilled that you will be so miserable, husband.
Vamos a preguntarle también sobre el guardia gris.
Really? Was he riding a griffin?
Shh, Oren. Griffins only exist in stories now.
I'd heard that. Did he say why he's come?
Pues a buscar reclutas.
Oh, if I were a Grey Warden, little brother, I'd have my eye on you. Not that father would ever allow it.
¿De verdad crees que la guerra sea
Word
corta?
from the south is that the battles have gone well. There's no evidence that this is a true blight, just a large raid.
Could that be true?
I'll see for myself soon enough. Pray for me, love, and I'll be back within a month or two.
Bueno, ya
Then the
terminemos.
Isle's men are delayed. You'd think his men were all walking backwards. Well, I'd better get underway. So many darkspawn to behead, so little time. Off we go then. I'll see you soon, my love.
I would hope, dear boy, that you plan to wait for us before taking your leave.
Be well, my son. I will pray for your safety every day you are gone.
A ver, si ibas a venir, ¿para qué me hiciste ir y darle el mensaje?
And miss having both my children in one place before I leave? Not likely.
The Maker sustain and preserve us all. Watch over our sons, husbands and fathers, and bring them safely back to us.
And bring us some ale and wenches while you're at it. For the men, of course.
Fergus, you would say this in front of your mother?
What's a wench? Is that what you pull on to get the bucket out of the well?
Perdón,
A
perdón.
wench is a woman that pours the ale in a tavern, Oren. Or a woman who drinks a lot of ale.
Bryce, Maker's breath. I swear it's like living with a pack of small boys.
I'll miss you, mother dear. You'll take care of her, brother, won't you?
Claro que sí. La protegeré con mi vida.
Oh, good. How thrilling to know I'm so well taken care of.
Enough, enough. Pup, you'll want to get an early night. You've much to do tomorrow.
Pues ahora sí ya terminamos toda la parte más tranquila. Ya el siguiente capítulo es con la batalla, así que nos vemos luego.